Hey guys, it's your favoriteest, and we're back. You guys have been asking for the longest time for a cooking video, a cooking challenge video. So that is exactly what we are going to be giving to you guys today. So right now we're in Progressive. We're picking up the ingredients. If you guys didn't see by the thumbnail and the title, we're going to be doing a pizza challenge. We tried to think of other things, but it's like if we're both in the kitchen making oxtail, we're both making curry goat. It just don't, you know what I'm saying?
Different.
So we just started off with pizza. Any other ideas?
Challenge both of us. Why being a challenge?
Yeah, something, some other ideas may come after this, but let's just start off with this. So we're gonna do, I was thinking Jamaican style pizzas, like our take on Jamaican style, like our take on Jamaican food, but on pizzas.
We're gonna go regular pizza with pepperoni and something.
No, I don't think that's a challenge.
Yeah,
I don't think that's challenging. I think making it Jamaican style. Yeah, but that's just throwing pepperoni, chicken, whatever. Yeah, let's get outside of the box. Cause them know so we are chef. Them know so we are chef in the kitchen, yeah? Chef. We can cook. Yeah, over here so we say food and food so we. So we're gonna take you guys. I know what kind of pizza I wanna make. And then we're gonna meet you guys back in the kitchen. Okay? Okay, so stay tuned. I'm excited. We're not friends today, so don't touch me. We ain't friends today. So anyways, guys, as you've seen from the first clip where we were at Progressive. Oh, Progressive we did it? Yeah. Buying the ingredients. We started getting everything to take you guys because we had to go to about 4 different stores.
Let's get a pizza.
In order to get everything that we needed to do this challenge. But we have everything already. No? I think I said it. No, I think I said it, yeah. So, as we said in the other video, or in the previous clip, today, and you guys will know by the title and the thumbnail, we are going to be in the kitchen, versing one another to see who can come up with the best, to see who can come up with the best
Jamaican style pizza.
Yeah, no, right, true. So, we literally have all of the ingredients. All right, guys, so over here on my side, yeah, we are going to be doing a curry chicken pizza. Yeah, so I have my ingredients. I have my curry chicken. Yeah, it's done, seasoned, clean, everything. Yeah, there's a shortage on curry.
Better pack curry.
Go over your side. Go over your side. This is my side. There's a shortage on curry, so I never get my better pack curry, but yeah, we still a do a thing. So I have my little seasonings them, and then you know I have my little hidden ingredient. I go dash some little plantain pan top of my thing. You see me? I have my Irish, so it's literally going to be like a curry chicken dish on your pizza. We got our pizza crust, complimentary of Betty Crocker. Big up yourself. It's not sponsored, but if you want to sponsor, you can do that. So yeah, that is what my pizza is gonna be looking like. People, I'm super freaking excited. I cannot wait. But yeah, that's what my pizza is gonna be looking like. So we'll be right back. And then we'll be right back. You guys can go over and go look at what the people that man are gonna make, but can't compare to man. Can't. So
this I mean, you know, that's what I have. I don't know, can't see. Basically, I'm gonna make as you know the title, Jamaican style pizza. So I go with ackee and saltfish business. So I go put bacon. I love ackee and bacon, something. So yeah, mine I go with ackee, bacon, pizza.
So guys, as you can see, we got everything that we need for our pizzas. Right now, we both actually, we already prepped everything, but it's just to cook up the ingredients before they go up in the oven and also make our pizza doughs as well. I'm so excited. You guys have been begging us for a cooking challenge video, and we're finally bringing it to you guys. So I don't know what else we're gonna be able to come up with after this, but if you have any other suggestions in terms of cooking challenge ideas, leave them in the comment section below. Also, leave down in the below whose pizza you guys feel like is going to be better. Wanna not come with Joel and Chef Ray. No come to me with them someday. Understand? Cause good girl can cook too. Yeah, right, true. So comment down below. Team Z, Team J. But I got this, so here we go. Alright guys, so my chicken is done. Just cut up the potato them. Sir, you finished with the knife?
Coffee next time. Can you give me the next one? I use the chopper. pepperoni. Shh, no, she gave me tea for it.
Why? The kitchen not so big, my friend.
I put on it like the pepperoni style. So I try to do it as clean as possible. Kitchen. I can't see my kitty done more than her. So I should just bring some things.
I move speedy over there, though, my friend. Yeah, I'm going, my friend. You might chop off your finger, yeah? You might chop off your finger, yeah?
Fast, we chop on my chop here.
For yourself, you know, for angle knife. Right through.
Season and peps.
Alright, we're done enough. Whenever you're ready to go up on the stove, brother.
So
Ready to go up on the stove. Alright guys, so I have finished fully preparing everything that I need for my pizza. I'm gonna wait until the people them is done, and then we're gonna head over to the stove, start cooking up our ingredients, make our pizza crust, put everything in the oven, and then me I'll go with the challenge. I'm excited. Oh my god, I almost forgot we have the cheese. Alright people, so now it's time to get dirty. Yeah?
You're no friend no more.
No, not at all.
Alright people, so first you know you have to grease your saucepan. You call it saucepan, you call it friend. And like that it goes. As you can see, it's a ackee, you know, so you have onion, tomato, sweet pepper, and hot pepper, scotch bonnet. You have your bacon and my saltfish. You know the thing, but you know what I'm not going to the bacon. I never say look on the board. I usually try my saltfish first.
So people, I'll start with my plantain first. Yeah. People them teeth follow your utensils them, so I can't get nothing look like them a sabotage,
So can I use the spoon, the plastic one?
Yeah, fresh. I'm fresh already, people. Them a shake.
I'm not fresh. I'm waiting for my pop to get hot, yeah? He's sabotaged. He couldn't even put out a too flat there.
Them a run. I get nervous. You know when I'm stressed out. I'm making them all this guy down the mountain now. Feel like I don't smell it.
Alright, mine eye splash me.
Yeah, then I show. You don't want to drop things, you're not ready to cook it yet. You got it so well. Good, you know.
I don't know what to do there, but watch them wait.
Facts.
Watch them wait. Kill it, I don't want to food them. Father chef.
I thought you said I was it. What do you think? You're wicked at what? Oxtail, curry goat. I can cook those too. I can cook those too. I can cook that too. What am I cooking today? Why? People, when I was like, oh, let's do Jamaican style pizza, he was like, no, I don't even know how to do that.
I see.
Okay. More than that.
Let's look at her. Jesus, she dead, you know. And this is going to be the person about these people.
No, shut up! Memories don't live like people do. They always remember you. Whether things are good or bad, it's just the memories that you had. So many other things say, hey!
People got a pizza challenge, yeah? What's up? Not for sure this pizza challenge in our place.
My pizza, like a African style fish that is a Jamaican style.
So yeah, this is my own. We do them pre-mix, so we're going, you know, make them when we're done to see that. You know when I put it in, it smells good enough?
Chicken. Alright guys, while the food finishes cooking, baby's pretty much done his part. Me, I just gonna make my curry chicken steam on just a little bit. And then when we are making the pizza doughs, because that's gonna be the next step, we will come right back. Well, just stay tuned on the next clip. Just 5, 4, 3, 2. So guys, we are back and we are, don't touch me, we're not friends. We're not friends, fam. So guys, right now we are about to embark on making our pizza doughs, yeah? So we are gonna make a pizza dough, we are gonna set up a pizza them, put them in the oven. Just stay tuned. Like, just stay tuned. I hope you guys have already. If you haven't already, stop what you're doing right now. Babe, tell them to stop.
Pause.
Comment down below who you think I'll go with, people. Let me just show one of the toppings them here. Watch Aki.
Aki bacon sandwich.
Watch curry. Watch we make pizza dough. Yeah? Watch we make the pizza dough. Yeah? Alright, right through. So it says I will need a half a cup of hot water. So stir the pizza crust and hot water until all mix is moistened. Moistened. My friend, you sound quiet, you alright?
Fully alright. Focus got me. Come on, I said it's sticky.
Yeah, you gonna left it. For rice.
Very nice.
Say that for cover?
Yeah. Five minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes gone. I never like how it look. So you put pan timer for 5 more minutes. See it here? Yeah. Wash my hand.
So yeah, people, so right now I'm not saying yeah, so we're done. Made the dough ferment, 5 minutes ferment. You see it look? That is it.
Yes,
flour will go on time.
So you have a good ironing board, you know? You have a good iron board. And just I'm going to take a little flour. So I have a nice clean surface. Or a nice working surface, let me say. Yeah, so them say I saw you for do it. But it's true, we're fancy and we're on YouTube and we have cooking show and all them something here. So use rolling pin. Hi, hello, wanna talk to me now, no? Oh my! Backside! Me have like pizza! Hold on, I'm gonna do this again.
Yeah, I'm excited for what I said up here. Come here, wait for the roll and things, so be nice. Empty barrels be the most nice.
Oh God!
So easy.
First of all, my barrel them never come empty yet. Oh, I don't know where I talk about. My barrel them. What are that? Hold on, my brother. Ladies first.
Facts.
Alright, the wife before husband.
Facts. Yeah, people, so them they are trying to sabotage the thing on the pan.
I'm going to be doing a square pizza because we couldn't find the circle nothing in Jamaica for some odd reason. We couldn't find a circle nothing. So I have to bake it on them here. So don't mind it. Let me just spray these things. Little oil. I don't want to stick to no pan after we work so hard. So yeah, whee, sorry. Alright guys, so this is our dough. I feel like but people watch me now. Watch me now, no people. See me and all the people. Alright. Don't mind the dough here. Alright guys, first thing I'm gonna do, I have some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil with some oregano and rosemary. I'm just gonna take this and brush it on my pizza dough.
See people, kind of do all the stuff crusty.
So guys, sorry, but my camera died, but this is what we're looking like before we head into the oven. So I got my curry chicken, my plantain. I've sprinkled a little green onion on top with some more rosemary. I think I'm just gonna sprinkle a dash more cheese on top there, or just maybe a little bit on the sides. And yeah, we're about to pop these in the oven. And it's about to be on and popping. I'm excited!
Yeah, people, so as you can see, fully done already. Make mine kind of different than Bobby in a sense that, you know, I notice there's a seal up. You know, so we have pepper, onion, ackee, saltfish, bacon. You know, it's regular season, sweet pepper and milk pepper on the mix. You know, we use a bad dog sachet for that, so that is that.
Alright guys, so here are the pizzas. Here is the here is the curry chicken. And the ackee and bacon. Alright, so they're going in the oven. Yeah, people. I feel like I own a pizzeria. Alright, lock it down. 25-30 minutes, how we say? Pizza. Alright, so we'll be back in 25-30 minutes. Okay? People, nah in your song? Smell like pizza out. Nah we're not looking at oven. If we can't see there, we're not looking there.
I'm show them true, how can you help me? Come on, what's that? No.
Let me just open it really quick for y'all. Although Dave doesn't want me to. So look on it, man. So look on them, man. They're happening, man. Alright, man. Alright, people, we're back. We finna take them out. Oh my god. I'm so nervous.
Wow. I'm perfect.
Oh, but not tell a lie. Them hour bars, baby, your thing works. Never unfold.
Tough crust.
Alright people, so here we are.
Ready.
Here is Mr. Ting's ackee, saltfish, sausage, pizza, and he did a little stuffed crust as well.
So I'm full and for notice look at cheese and all crust.
And here is my curry chicken and plantain, you know, with your potatoes. Pizza. Okay, talk about it, talk about it. So now, live people, they look good. They look really, 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 really good.
Them cool looking now.
Yeah, so we're gonna make them cool a little bit, slice into them taste tests, and then we're gonna see who the winner be. But so far, you guys, we're going off of presentation, we're going off of taste, creativity. I think that's it. So we can go off of taste, creativity, presents. Yeah? Yeah. So forward. Alright guys, so we have our pizzas. Hey! Okay, show yours first. Alright. And here is mine. Just hold it so. But yeah, guys. So, Babe was saying when we were cutting it, he was saying his was a little harder to cut. He said
some
that
parts because the bottom part of mine them have this. I want it perfect doing. But I want it to become more soft.
So he had a more harder crust.
Not really, not necessarily.
Whereas mine, on the other hand, was very, very delicate and Very soft and nice, and you know. All right, so we're gonna taste it now. I'm so excited. I'm nervous, but I'm so excited.
It's soft, you know, but it does get a little, you know, but it's good.
All right, come, let's cheers and taste. I'm nervous. So nervous, you guys. I'm nervous. All right, ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Look upon the stretching is. See that?
You guys can see my string hanging out. Ooh.
Yes, guys.
Oh my god.
You would taste mine, do you know?
You guys, I'm not lying.
Mine tastes good.
Babe. The cheese with it. And then the plantain adds the little sweetness to it.
What tastes mine? That's soft. Tastes mine too. Soft man.
Oh, this is nice and salty. Yeah.
We don't know Owen people like that time. Owen went on a crust part.
They're both really good.
Yeah, all that stuff come out good as I take that piece and our part that come out good actually. For the first try.
Taste man. My potato is
But
nice.
the plantain gives a flavor.
Now it's gonna give it.
Plantain gives just some taste. And the cheese, it just tastes like a pizza.
Paper? Me no know what you say.
Enjoy too.
People,
The first try.
when Joel's cousin comes home, we're gonna blindfold him. Or we don't even necessarily have to blindfold him. We can just give him the 2 pizzas. He doesn't know who made it. And we're gonna ask him whose pizza tastes better. But from what I just tasted, you guys, it's very hard. Because it depends on what you would like. Mine is more of a seasoned with sweet type of flavor. And Babe's is less nice and like salty, like oh my gosh. But in the event that we are unable to come back with the blindfolded or the mystery taste test, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Babe, you want to say anything to them?
Sure, peace,
Not I. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let us know who you guys' pizza think came out better. Again, you guys also have to grade us as well. Whose pizza you guys think came out better. Again, we are grading on creativity, look, and presentation. Okay, so y'all seen how the pizza them did look, yeah? And all of them something there, something there.
Come off in that good, you know, the bacon.
I tell us the bacon did not come off in that. You not give me no bacon. The pizza them come out.
We can do better with the crust next time.
You
Try it first.
You can do better.
Two on babe.
Babe, my crust is good. No, it's not. My crust is good. Don't listen to him, people. Haters will hate, even if they are your husband, they will hate. But yeah, guys, comment down below. Let me know who you guys thought pizza, whose pizza you guys think is better. And also leave us a comment down below in regards to any other type of food challenges you guys may want to see us do. So yeah, again, I thank you guys for stopping by today. And I hope we see you guys next time in the next video, whenever that is, whatever that is. And yeah, share, like, subscribe, all of them someday. Yeah, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Say it again.
Watch all the ads, huh?
Right, true. Yeah, see you guys next time.
Let's let the ads run, huh?
So bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, we're back.
Jamaican style pizza.
And we have our taste tester who's gonna taste the pizza. He doesn't know who made which pizza. There's an Aki pizza, Aki style fish and bacon. Why are you laughing? And there's this nerd. And there's a jerk chicken. Hear about jerk chicken? Curry chicken.
Curry chicken.
With potatoes and plantain. Aja.
Yes, it
Take a bite of each one and tell us what you think. Alright, that's the curry chicken. I'm afraid of them pitney, you know. Watch out. You got the plantain and everything in it? Alright. Yeah, clean your palate. He was laughing at the ackee pizza. Okay, which one tastes better? Which one you wanna go and buy? Whoa! But it don't taste bad neither.
It don't taste bad.
Yeah.
I don't want to
Nobody can talk to me. Me say curry chicken.
It actually tastes like pizza, but with curry. I taste like ackee and flour.
Anyways, if say mine tastes better, challenge done. Again, comment down below, let me know.
No, you know, them ones that are pizza, man, I love chicken.
Comment down below, let me know. The agreement was not to see who loved pizza more or anything like that. The challenge was to find out who for pizza tastes better. It was the taste test. Mine won the taste test. And not say yours not taste good enough. And not say yours not taste good enough. Cause me like how yours tastes. Don't get me wrong, me like the sourness, but yeah, right, true. So yeah, guys, thanks again for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. You know how the whole thing go. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that is. Okay, bye.
Long distance loving.